Hello, hi Magic. How's it going? Congrats on being first, and thank you for feeding the slime. Hope you're doing well. Let me adjust the camera angle a little bit. There we go, a little bit better. Yeah, hope you're doing well. Today I'll be working on adding this, giving more work to do to this slime. Still hot in the room. Getting cooler for a minute, but it's slightly warmer again. Oh no! Do you know what caused the warmness? I wonder what happened. What I want to do today is add like a text box, a modifiable text box that I can move around that just says like who was first, kind of like a leaderboard, but like, just for the first. Yeah, so whoever redeems first. I think that's the plan for today. So let's get right into it. It'll be similar to the chat system that I have. So I can just copy that, I guess, for most of it. And then change the code behind it. Let's duplicate. Let's call it first highlight UI. Can hide this, and then we can remove the script and create a new one. No good airflow in the room, and a broken AC, and heat from your body, and the mid fridge, and the PC, and the TV, and the phone. All the electronics. It's got speech bubble. Huh? Wait, where did I put speech bubble? Because I got chat here. Chat UI. Oh, speech bubble. Oh, I guess it's more similar to speech bubble. Okay. Let's duplicate this. And let's call it first bubble. And let's hide it. And let's turn this on. Too many electronics, I guess, can contribute to the heat, and that makes sense. Let's create a new script. Let's call it first bubble. Basically to reward whoever is first to chat. A little bit better. So let's add it here. Oh no, did I? I did mess up. Whoops. Typing too fast. Cable. Ordered some McDonald's 3 hours ago. Scheduled to arrive when I started pulling up now. 3 hours? That sounds like a lot of time for McDonald's. Where's Bobo? What did you order from McDonald's? What do you usually get from McDonald's? Okay, so we got this. Let's pop open Visual Studio so we can write code. Chicken nuggies and Coke. That's a solid choice. Chicken nuggies are always good. I usually would order a lot though. A lot. I usually, whenever I order from, like, whoops. Wrong window. Usually when I order from like fast food, I usually get a lot more stuff. Okay, so we got first bubble here, which will be similar to speech bubble. I don't want to update. So let's take a look. I think we can actually just copy a lot of it and then remove what we don't need. So copy, replace all of this. It's not going to be happy about a bunch of stuff, but that's okay. Let's just fix it. This too. This has their own deal with Coca-Cola, so the Coke has more sugar and carbonation. Really? I did not know that. I feel like it's just how much water they mix. Okay, let's rename this. Rename first bubble text and rename this first bubble container. It's like how Burger King's Sprite is better. Really? I did not know that. That's new to me. Let's rename this. Get first bubble position. Also, you ordered 40. the full box, right? I remember that deal. Although it was probably different. Okay, so here we want to only actually let me go back to this after. So apply text is fine. Show bubble, let's rename this. To show first bubble. Rename this height. First bubble. I remember a couple years ago, there was a deal for winter, Christmas maybe. It was like a big box of chicken nuggets. 40, I think, is also how many it was. And it was super cheap. So me and a couple friends at university got that as we needed to study. We got food and we got just a huge box of chicken nuggets. Went back to school and started studying for exams. It was nice. And then this first. Just rename everything into first thingy. First speech bubble. First bubble. Okay. So got all of that. Which should be good. Let's see, show invoke card. So probably never invoke card. So let's change this. Instead of activating on any redeems, we only want to react to the first. So if the redeem is equal to first, do stuff. Hey Jedi, how's it going? Let's copy this and delete all of this. And then we can do was first. Been good, just working on editing some videos. Nice. I saw your TikToks recently. I saw the one where it was a highlight of when you played with Jacko, the ridiculous racing on horse battle royale game, and you got the flower. Oh no, they forgot your straw. Hey, Jacko! Hi there, Jacko. That was a good one. I was there and I saw it live too, so that was good. That was excellent. How you doing, Jacko? Just got home from work. Hopefully work was not too bad today. Sleepy. It's too warm today. How warm was it? Like how many degrees? I'm curious. It's like 70 around me today. But yeah, another one I saw from Jedi was the story of your name, where it came from, with how you, yeah, the origin of your name in 2 parts. Have any constructive criticism? Nothing like pops to mind right now. It was pretty entertaining to watch. But if anything comes to mind, I'll let you know. You found a straw under your keyboard? Wait, why do you have a straw under your keyboard? Do you have just do you stash your straws under your keyboard just in case, like today? You love Jedi's TikToks to crack you out. Yeah, they're pretty good. I usually don't watch a lot of like the stream highlights TikTok. Just because of how I use TikTok usually. I like to watch something different. But sometimes I do. And I stop. And Jedi are some of them. Okay, so this was first. I feel like it should be in 2 lines. But let's test this. Just in case, normally you order 2 drinks. Okay. I mean, that's a valid strategy. I usually don't order drinks too much, because I keep forgetting about it. Like, I would say 80% of the drinks that I order through like food delivery services, they forget the drink almost every time, which is, you know, annoying. But usually I complain to the service like Uber Eats, and they would refund like partially. So no big complaints, right? So I don't try to order it on purpose anymore. If it comes with a combo, sure, and if it's missing, I'll get like my partial refund. But like I don't try to order. I usually drink just water anyway. So on the way to manual set the text. Manual set text. First bubble message. Let's see. Apply text, I think. Yeah. My tracking sounded weird. Let me recalibrate. Uh, calibration. T-pose. Should be good now. I really need to find a better way to put my tracker on the head. Like right now, I'm clipping through. Like I have my waist strap going through my headphones, and that's the only thing that's holding it. It's not like a real way of putting the tracker on my head. I need a better way, like some kind of head strap, or maybe a clip. A clip would make more sense because I already have like a headphone. Like putting a strap on top doesn't make sense. So maybe like a clip for the headphone could work. Yeah. Okay, let's go back to Unity. Whoops, wrong. Let's attach everything. Touch manager. Here. Canvas. Here. Bubble container. Here. Bubble text. Here. Duration. I don't think I need duration. Is this used anywhere? Start complaining. And where is this used? Fire and armor fences. Oh yeah, for the multi-lines. Okay, that's fine. Oh yeah, question of the day. Other than solid, what food do you consider healthy? Like I've been struggling with that a little bit. Like I'm looking at food, like Uber Eat, and I feel like nothing is healthy. I'm just scrolling like this is not healthy, this is not healthy, this is not healthy, this is not healthy. Chicken and rice. Yeah, but like even chicken and rice, it depends on how the chicken is prepared, right? If the chicken is like fried, that's not healthy. Or like if it's like, I don't know, barbecue with a lot of sauce, that's not super healthy. Nuts is healthy. That's more of a snack. Poke, salmon, sushi, yeah. That's healthy. Expensive, but healthy. I like poke too. But it's so expensive. So I try to not have poke too often. Yeah, I'm not complaining. I did not ask about the price, and I agree with that. It is healthy, and I agree with that. I like poke and sushi. Line limit. It do be pricey, yeah. Settings. Okay. Here, let's add some more stuff. Adjust bubble, reset bubble. Let's add like text, just a separation or image. I think an image. Separation. Eight. Chicken and fish for protein, avocado for fat intake, and rice for carbs. Okay. Some of the best in each category of food. I see. 160. Use. I just want to have something to split up, like the settings. There, I can add some spacing. 4. Let's make this a little bit larger, like 200. It's like $12 a bowl for 2 protein options. That's actually cheap. At least in what I see. Usually, like when I buy 2 proteins is like $15, and 3 it's like 20. Don't want to stop eating junk food, but you know, you eat burger, pizza, chicken nuggets, chicken sandwiches. Eat a healthy meal a few times a week are gonna bulk soon. I think it's getting a balance. Like I also eat like fast food, junk food. It's like a little bit of everything. Just trying, you know. Okay, let's do duplicate these two. Toggle first bubble, so I can edit and reset first bubble. Change the text, adjust first bubble, and reset first bubble. It doesn't fit. Okay. 200. Body. Did I still work on videos? I think that's what he said earlier. And I believe you do have OBS setup, although all the mod settings are confusing. You know, like when you're just starting, you really don't need to mess with all of that. You can learn as you go. Like the important part is getting the stream working so you can stream content, right? And then all the modding, all the alerts, plugins, bots, all those things can come after. Done with a bug incident. Huh. I wonder what kind of incident that is. Set first bubble. Then I also want to add a text field, so similar to this. First bubble field. There's nothing in there. Let's remove what these buttons do. Well, for toggle, we can attach first bubble and then change it to the toggle, and then the reset, same thing. Change which one, and then have the reset, and then now I need to modify the code. How to see on his TikTok, yeah. Eventually pop up on my my For You page. Even down 29 more to go. All the nuggets. Okay, so manual set. I think instead of this, actually, I want to see something. Oh, text field on an edit. On an edit. Maybe I can use this. Text stream. Let's try. On an edit. The canvas, first bubble, manual, subtext. And maybe I don't need this. We'll see. What I'm working on? I'm giving more job to the slime. The same one that's here, but another one for now. So now, wait, where is it? I need to reset. There we go. So now there's a new text bubble, and I'll change it into not a text bubble, but more like a leaderboard kind of thing. So the plan is, whenever someone redeems first in chat, I want to have like their name on the screen the entire time to reward them. And the text would look like, let's say, my Jacko was first. Right? Then I can have this somewhere on the screen. Maybe not below the slime? Maybe, it could be. Could be something for the slime. Below the slime, on top of the slime. I don't know. But it won't be like just a text bubble. It would be something different. More like a leaderboard. I mean, it could be anything really, because I can just place it on the screen wherever. Let's brainstorm. What could it be? Leaderboard. I mean, it could be just a normal box for now. Could be like a box with like some decoration around it. Yeah. And the nice thing is I can set it manually in case like the stream died. And then, oops. Like in case the stream dies and then I have to restart, I can write it manually. Or I can write whatever message in it. Which is actually pretty useful. Because I could just have like an announcement message kind of thing. A little bit like the title thing at the top of the screen. Where it says, giving more work to the slime. Kind of like that. Custom message. Yeah, just have to make it not visible by default. Just for testing, let's change it from first to right, the one that says hi, so we can test. Say hi. Yeah, something like that. And then if we connect this to the system, and let's adjust it. Let's put it right under the slime, like here. And then if I redeem hi, yeah, the message will pop on and it will stay forever. Because that's the point. But instead of hi, it will be only for first. Only if first will work. And then if needed, I can go in and change it. Ah. Ah. Okay, I think that works. I just need to make it not the text bubble now. So I guess it's Photoshop time. Let's load up Photoshop. Well, that's loading. Can't think about what I want to do next. Because really, that was the only thing I thought about doing today. I didn't think it would take me half an hour. I'm getting more efficient. Okay. New file? Or I guess I can reuse the text bubble. Where is it? Textures. Text bubble PNG. And do something with this. So what could it look like? Maybe we could do some brainstorming. For leaderboard. Let's see. Image. Nothing too interesting on Google. Hi, El. Wait, if you're saying hi now, does that mean you landed? Or are you still flying? And how are you doing? Hopefully you're doing well. Yes, you are waiting for the bus. Nice. Suppose what I'm looking for the slime to do is say, yes, safe landing. I'm looking to make like a box, I guess text box, to highlight, I guess, to keep the name of whoever is first in chat. Whoever redeems the first redeem. A little sad because the next one comes in half an hour. Oh no. 30 minutes. Waiting for the bus. Quite a long wait. Hopefully waiting like inside or something and not outside. Like somewhere with good weather, good condition. Not too hot, not too cold, not bad conditions. I guess like a text box Pokemon style would work. Yeah, I could do that. And add like a big first in a corner or something. Yeah, I think I'll do that. Okay, so let's make a new layer, hide that one. Make a square, rectangle. Yeah, centered. Fill with white for now. You're outside, it's hot. Oh no. And then shrink the rectangle by like 20 pixels. And then invert. And then let's do what color? Gold. Yeah, sure, gold. Why not? Although not on this layer. Let's do another layer. Let's put. Oops. Let's fill this with gold. And let's delete the outside. Around this. Invert, delete. And then let's add a shadow to it. Oh, another layer. below it. And then move the layer. And then move the layer. Just a bit to create like a 3D-ish effect. Should sit outside yourself. This is at least 10 degrees cooler than the new room. Ouch. Outside is colder for me, but it's not too bad. It's like 68. Okay, so we got this frame, and then we can add a text that says first. Whoa. Oh, the text is really big. Lorem ipsum. First. Not this font. Let's see. First. Trying to cast a spell with the Lorem ipsum. Exo. Trying to decide what font. Uroboto. Deco. Beat Saber font. Why not? Beat Saber font, but bold. And let's do white with outline. I guess I'll do the outline manually. I don't see it, so let's put it like this. I kind of want the ST to be smaller, so I'll do just that. And alignment. Oh, I can do superscript. I think that's smarter. Superscript. There we go. Bigger. Remember watching an Anime World break? A spell MC cast insanely long, like monologue. What? Which one was it? Oh, World Break. I don't think I've seen that one. Let's see. Oops, what am I doing? Is it good? Would you recommend it? Maybe too big. Oh. Okay, now let's move this into the corner. Like this. Select by pixel, make another layer, shrink it, select, modify contract by like 5 pixels. And then fill this with some white. So you got an outline kind of thing. You can group those. So I can just move one of them. Ah, yeah, I could have it go over outside. And then add a shadow to it. Oh, now I got this selection, add another layer, put it under, fill it with black, and then move it out. And then add a Gaussian blur. Not too much. Chat bugged out. What you miss? After you saying about casting a spell, Magic mentioned an anime called World Break, and apparently the MC was casting very long spells, basically saying monologues. Suppose if I have nothing to do at the end of the day and want something, remember it, but not something to schedule a binge. Okay, so not that much of a recommendation. Think of the French in Love is War. It was a interesting accent they had. Okay, let's export this into here. First bubble. And let's edit it in Unity. What it looks like. Gibberish monologue. Yeah. They're just like saying random things that were supposedly insults. I don't know what kind of insults they're saying, but apparently they're the worst of the insults. Okay, now we got texture, and we need to change this into a sprite. Apply and see. Okay, both I set up the same way. Just need to go into sprite editor, and I think I need to cut here and here. Here, actually maybe lower, like this, and apply to cut up the sprite, and then container, replace it with first bubble, sliced. Oh, interesting. I did not know I could do that. This is fancy. Okay, let's see how it looks like with text. Irregular Magic High. That's a long name. Okay, so this is how it looks like. So that's too big for sure. Need to adjust that. Okay, so the height is consistent. I wonder what is causing that. Height is 35. With height, use try scale. 229. The MC would start saying that cringy line, remember everything, and then float in the air and write out the monologue and read out loud, clearly but fast, creating a ridiculously OP spell, destroying everything. That does sound pretty OP. So for the size, I think this is fine for the one, but like the box is too big. Is there a way for me to control this? Hi, Ayu. How are you doing? And sounds good, magic. Let's see. Height here is locked. It's coming from the image. So it's coming from the image. So this one is too large. Let's see, Smart Editor. Maybe this line is too big. Oh, I'm in play mode. Okay, let's see. Hard, hot and sweaty. Are you working hard? How is the back pain? Cutie. I'm doing well. Doing well. A bit tired, but doing well. Smart Editor. Okay, so I guess something is too big in here. Like maybe I need to do this. That doesn't make sense. Border. Huh. Center. That's a center. Did you get enough sleep? No, just long day. I had to wake up super early today because there was a planned power outage in the morning. So I had to wake up before the power outage so I could like use washroom and everything. So I had to wake up early, and then power went out, so I could not work. And then I went to the eye doctor, and then came back, and then worked. So just a lot. There's a lot happening. I wonder if this would help doing this. I feel like it won't. It will create like a big space, but who knows? Let's try. Yeah, this is worse. Okay, so up here, maybe this. I don't feel like this will help, but Kitty work hard, deserve all the head pats. Thank you. Yeah, now it's just super tall. Maybe I don't need this to be a square, but like I need to make it smaller. So let's do that. Pat, all the pats. I'll give pats to the slide. Pat. Let's see, how do I do this? So this is the text at the top. I don't want to move that. What I do want to move is the 3 other layers. So let's duplicate all of them and merge these 3. Hide these 3 and shrink this. And then select just this part. Oh, I need to delete the bottom part. It's been almost an hour. Hydration break. Alright, sounds good. Thank you. Slime also get pats, yeah. Thank you for the hydrate redeem. Where are you? Now, let's see. Need to delete all of this. And also in this corner, there was like 9 pixels in the details. And now I can select this and crop and then export. Replace that. Yes, and go back to Unity. Okay, now in here, let's see, sprite editor. Do I need to do something here? So this part looks like this. I wonder if it will even fit, but we'll see. Now I hit play. Adjust. No, still square. I guess I've been cutting this wrong. So let's try something. Instead of cutting it this way, keep this up all the way here. And hit apply. And hopefully that works. Just this part is Hey Dar, how is it going? So let's see, let's think a little bit. Stop the play, go back to linear. Let's revert all of the cutting. Usually this is how I would cut it, but I want the first to be in the corner, so I have to put it outside of these lines. But that makes a big rectangle of empty, which is where this is where I want the text anyway. So instead, I think what I need to do is the first needs to be its own image. I have to split it up, otherwise it doesn't work. Okay, let's redo a bunch. Delete this. So let's do just the background, the bubble, replace, and then just the first. About here. Image, crop, and export, and call this first corner bubble. Okay. Doing good. What is this for? This is an overlay that I'm using. So you see the slime here. If you do some redeems like the hi or feed cookie, it will react to it. And I'm adding more functionality. And now what I'm doing is like a thing to, I guess, celebrate, highlight, shout out to anyone who is first to redeem, the first redeem. Hey, Jacko feeding the slime. Pat, pat, pat. Cookie for the slime. Yes. It's here? The bus is here? Nice. Get fatter slime? Why are you trying to make the slime fat? What is this? Ah, more cookies for you. Lucky you. Had a good bowling session. As Nunu in Haram. Nice. Is it a full AP, Nunu? It doesn't count if it's not full AP, Nunu. Slime can be any shape. Indeed. Indeed, it can. Okay, let's turn this on. Full AP is the best way to do it. Yeah, the best way to do bowling, Nunu. And disco party, Nunu. Most importantly, cute. I agree with that. I agree with that. Okay, so you got a container, got text. Let's add another image for the first corner, which is the first corner text, like this. And I can make it smaller. Let's see. Preserve aspect. Image type simple. You're tired? Oh no. You should get some rest. Eat something maybe if you haven't yet. Oh, is this a vertical? It is. Okay, let's add a layout element and make it ignore the layout. And make this a little bit smaller. Put it in the top corner. Huh, surprising. 50, 25, 25, minus 25. Yeah, something like this. Food. You haven't ate all day? Hey, that's not okay. You have to eat. Go get some food. Go get some food now. Take a nap first. Get something to eat first, and then nap. Like the food combo nap will be good. But you need food. Tired of feeding the slime. Okay, so now I can add. Biting me. I'm not food. So let's say the arrow was here, right? And plain first, it would show up like this. Okay, so let's adjust this so it looks good. Do I want it more inside or more outside? I think more outside. Yes, like this. Okay, so 25 and minus 20. 25 minus 20. Let's try again. That's you? Indeed. Yeah, I think this works. This looks okay, right? I can have this like in the corner. Top corner or something. Bottom corner. I wonder if it's too big though. Oh, I should make it resizable. Oh, I should set. Yeah, resizable would be nice for this. Let's see. Is there a way for me to make it resizable at any time? Let's hit Actually, I don't need to play for this. Or no, I do. Here, adjust from text. Got this. The size of this one is fixed. So the scale? Yeah. Scale is what I want to edit. UI toolkit. Let's see if there's something. Packages? No. Wait, where is it? Script. UI toolkit. Is it not in here? Plugin. Ah, here it is. Lean UI. Common example. Required. Script. The bus has Wi-Fi. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Sizer. This component allows you to change the size of the rectangle. Target rect transform. What about resize? Not quite what I need. Orange salad. A diet of meat and fat is actually pretty healthy. Keto diet. Yeah, it's mostly that whenever I order food, like nowadays when I scroll, I feel like nothing is healthy. Except like sushi or poke. Like when I scroll on Uber Eats, like everything looks unhealthy. That's why I'm asking that question. Something I can do. Like poke, depends on the sauce you get. That's fair, that's fair. I order grocery from Uber Eats, then I still have to cook? Alright. At that point I just get groceries, not through Uber Eats because that's just expensive for nothing. I can get groceries delivered. And I do for like some things. Order a chef from Uber Eats. I don't know if that's possible. Similar with salad. You think it's healthy until you see what sauce. Yeah, if you use like Caesar sauce, that's not healthy. I don't know if you can get a chef from Uber Eats, or maybe there's a place that sells a meal, like a plate of something called chef. Yeah, those Twitch ads. Oh yeah, deliver everything. But then that guy has to filter out can eat and cannot eat. And he's like eating everything or trying to eat everything. It's kind of ridiculous. Can they deliver a friend? Can I order a friend through Uber Eats? How would that work? I think the easiest way for me to make it scale is just like a setting for it. That's what Al said. Wondering the same. That reminds me of an ad that I used to see in Canada, in Quebec specifically. There's a pharmacy called Jean Coutu. It's basically like a Walgreen. It's a big chain, very big chain. And one of their, I guess, slogan was, "You can find everything, even a friend." And I was always wondering, like, can you actually get a friend at a pharmacy? How? Like, maybe if you hang out at the pharmacy and talk to people, you can make friends. But otherwise, I don't see how you could find a friend. Okay, UI scale. Actually, first bubble scale. And let's add some text next to it so we know what this is. First bubble scale. Label. Alright, let's scale. I'm just talking about scaling stuff and you pop up in chat. What a coincidence. The real medicine was the friends you made along the way. Wait, what? How does that work? First bubble text label. What is a Shure SM7B vocal dynamic microphone? And a very expensive microphone that you don't need. It's a high quality microphone, but it's an expensive one and you don't really need that. Settings. Listener. Some padding at the top. Sharing you real quick. I mean, it's a very popular one that a lot of people recommend, but like recommend in quotes. Because like that microphone is few $100s and you need like you cannot just, it's not just a USB microphone, you have to plug it into another thing that's also a few $100s. So like just the microphone setup alone, and with that microphone, it's just the mic itself, you don't have a way to hold it, so you need the microphone arm or like a holder, which is a good one is easily $100 or $200, and then maybe you need a pop filter and stuff like that. Like buying into that microphone setup is easily close to $1,000, and that's a lot for like starting out to stream. Like sure, it's really high quality, but it's not, I wouldn't recommend it. You know someone who wanted to be a YouTuber and spent thousands on equipment, made 3 videos and stopped. Ouch! That hurts. So a webcam that you got for 70. I mean, that works, right? Have one with all the gadgets? What do you mean by gadgets? Magic. Like the one I'm using is also a popular one. A little bit expensive, less than the Shure Shure SM7B. It's the Blue Yeti. That one is also very popular, but it's a little bit overkill also. A YouTuber, not Twitch, straight to YouTube. Streaming on YouTube, right? Not just videos. Let me change it, content type to a decimal number. Can be a real VTuber. Had it with all the parts that go with it. No. So my setup, at first I got the Blue Yeti just by itself. It's a USB microphone, so you can just plug it, and it has like a little stem that goes with it, and that works. Eventually, after a while, I upgraded and got a mic arm, a pop filter, a stabilizer for the mic, but that I added those later. An actual tube. Well, you know, the internet is made out of tubes, so any kind of so anywhere would work, right? Actually, for the scale, I don't want like a text label. What I want is a slider. So UI slider. First bubble still. What I'm saying is all the pieces to make that mic work, just overkill. So the way I would approach it is start with the minimum that you need, right? You start with just the bare minimum, and then as you go, like as you stream, you see what you feel like you need to upgrade, and then you upgrade that, and add on, like buy more parts, add to the setup. Like if someone is just starting out, it's not a good idea to start out and buy the most expensive, the best thing right away. If, like, let's say someone is starting to learn to drive, you don't get the best car out on the market for them, right? You don't give them like a racing Ferrari car, or you don't give them like, I don't know, a very expensive luxury car as a first step. You start with the bare minimum, a car that works, like a reasonable budget, and then if that person likes it, they can upgrade. First car was 800. That's pretty cheap. That trap, that's less good. Monitor, money needs a cube. Very nice and very helpful with the do's and don'ts for beginner streamer. But talking about my wish, I see you found my Amazon wish list. I see. You never got into a car accident, so it worked out. Nice. That's good. Yeah, so that's just an expensive microphone. Imagine. the SM7B is an expensive, high quality microphone. Not something that is really needed. It's there because we're not. Okay, so we got the scale. Should go from not 0, like 0.1 to I guess 0.1 to 1. I had to multiply that by a thing. Do I want it? You really don't have to buy it, Magic. If anything, you should keep that money, invest in yourself. Or I don't know, someone else that maybe needed more. Like, I don't do this streaming for money, really, or gifts or stuff like that. It's a bonus. It's nice and appreciated when I get stuff, but it's not a need. Investing in happiness. And like you said, like, if you're starting to stream Magic, you could invest into your own setup. Buy stuff that you need. Okay, so we got this. Text a single. What is a single? What? Let's see. Speech. First bubble. Let's add a public function. Is it a float? Oh, that works. Okay, so I can scale the value here. Value should be at 0.5. Not going to do anything special, just stream for random days when nothing's going on. And you decide you want to watch or not. Portable AC unit. You got ordered 2 AC units. That's a lot of AC units. You'll get cold. Private float, max scale, and scale bubble. I'll do. Let's see. Which object do I want to scale? The container or container.parent? Right? Container.parent. Yeah, container.parent. Container.transform.parent.transform.scale local scale equal to vector3.1 times scale times max scale. Yeah, that should work. Testing the price difference between the two was 40 and 60. Huh. That's quite cheap for a portable AC unit. I remember the one I bought was like a few hundred. So tired brain, won't stop trying to figure out how I'm going to fit stuff into the room. Is the place difficult to fit stuff in? Is that what I'm getting? Okay, on N? What this? Remove. Max scale. Let's see. The scale right now is 1. If it's 1, probably. Let's see. Let's say 2. And let's have the default value. Oh, I mean, I'll just play with it. It'll be easier. I'm hacking into the Pentagon. What? No, I'm not. What are you talking about? Hey, the scaling works. It works. That should give me enough flexibility. Woo! As long as I don't hack into the hexagon. Right. Pentagon is okay, hexagon is not okay. They're more of a plug and fan and dump ice on it. Or water. Oh, I see. Do you have like the space or is the setup possible to put like a actual AC unit that goes into the window? Those are very good. Like they work pretty well usually. Let's see. So this is like 0.3 something. So let's do like 0.3. Okay, let's try again. Wahoo! Wahoo! Can place this wherever. Oh wow. Okay, the movement is kind of weird with this. Okay. But I can always reset. It's fine. Got a Ayu has a question for L, but I might be able to answer also. Oh, I wonder. She said, make Ayu tired noises. When Percolator is a high-pitched squeal. Do you? Sometimes. I think you do sometimes. Okay. Now let's build this out. And now I can restart the overlay. And connect it. And because I know that magic was the first one today, let me put it irregular at magic time and adjust. Let's see, where should I put this? Put it at the top. Yeah. between chat, up here, down below, on the slime. Maybe like down here in the corner. And then can move the slime up. No, actually. Let's see. Where should I put this? Here? It kinda works. Oh, on top. Yes, on top of chat. And then slime, can move it down. Perfect. It's connected. Alright, from now on, every new stream, the first person to redeem will have their name up on top of chat. At the top of chat. Alright, what did I invest in chat? What is Nintendo Labo Toy-Con VR kit? So it's a little bit like it's a cardboard thing that Nintendo did for the Switch, where basically you can fold into like a VR headset-ish for the Switch. It's funny. Maybe in the title bar? Maybe. I like it on top of chat. It's like a leaderboard for chat. Hey friend, time to break release code. I don't think you can break because the first is already redeemed, so you cannot redeem it. Oh wait. You can break it. I forgot to change this. Whoops. So if you redeem high, it will override. Okay, let me fix that quickly. If you want, you can redeem high just to break it, just for the fun of it. But yeah, the level is it's a special game where you can create games. You was first, but not really. It's a small game. You can fight for first. Oh, I know what I should do. I should make another one for the most point redeem in a single stream. One where people can actually fight for. Yeah. I think I'll do one for the way like that. One where we can actually fight for. I'll keep one for the first. But I'll do one where you can fight for it. Incentive to actually use point. Yeah. So that's the point of creating all of this. Like I'm creating a base, like with simple stuff first. Feed the slime, pet the slime, have the slime say stuff, like the leaderboard at top. But eventually I want to do actual games where people can play while I'm streaming in chat. That's what I want to do. Like games like maybe just, you know, like the gambling that exists in my chat. Something similar to that maybe. Like maybe it's like a versus thing, or maybe like there's like a boss fight or something. Like chat has to work together and invest a bunch of points to fight the boss, and if the boss is defeated, maybe something happens. Like maybe I'll do like a special stream, right? Like some kind of community goal in a way. Another like could be like a versus, like could create two teams in chat and have like the two teams fight off. Or it could be just gambling stuff. Maybe. At least that's the idea. That was the idea from the start. Spending point to fight for a spot is a new idea. Okay, now that I have fixed that, let me rebuild. Let's restart it. And connect. Irregular at Magic Pi. Oh, it's not saving the position right now. Nor the size. So I need to fix that. Okay. That's something I'll need to fix. Okay, let's start by fixing that. So I need to save the size whenever that happens. And the position. Let's see. Global position. Scale. I guess I can save the scale at the same time. Player. Well, I can just copy the entire line. Bubble scale. Local scale. Dot. Whatever. And then here. Player pref. As key. First bubble scale. Let's create a variable for it. Scale equals 1. Let's see. If it doesn't have a key. Oh, that's why the position was not working. Ah, found a bug in what I had before. If it exists, then grab the values. So if it exists, then scale is equal to this thing. But for the scale, and then this thing equal to scale. Vector 3.1 times scale. Okay, so with this, we can save the scale whenever we move the bubble. So what I can do is also save the position, save the scale and position whenever I scale successfully. Now the other thing is the scale would need to reflect, the slider needs to reflect the actual value, so I need to feed back the scale after. Also reset. Let's do a reset scale equal 1 and do this and see. Reset the position, reset the scale. Maybe it's fine. Maybe I don't need to reset the slider. Although I really should. No, let's do it. No, I don't wanna. Okay, let's not. So with this, if I change the scale, right, and I play again, the scale should stay. Yeah. The slider doesn't update, but I'm okay with that. I'm okay with that. It's not something I'll be changing a lot anyway. Okay, got the scaling for the first bubble done. Do I want to do the fighting for most points? Maybe. What would that look like? First, most MVP. I think MVP would be a good name for it. I think MVP would be a good name for it. I feel like as I go, I'll have to move the like at the top of the stream, the friends progress bar. I'll have to move that, I swear, and put just like the leaderboard up there. Yeah. Okay, let's do the MVP bubble. MVP bubble. And this one, let's put MVP corner. Actually, I'm thinking, should I put like the first and MVP together? No, let's keep it separate so I can modify. Now your question is, what is it, L? What is your question? Where will on the screen all those fight and maps will fit? So for the boss fight kind of thing would be like an event. You know, a little bit like the raid alert. It takes over the screen. It'll be like a separate scene when I trigger that. A little bit like the quantum fissure for getting free DB coins. Will be something that happens sometimes. It's not always on screen. Nice idea for a boss fight. Yeah, like boss fight would make sense for like VRB screen, or like maybe like sometimes if I need a break, if I'm getting water, I can pause whatever I'm doing, put on the boss fight, something like that. And eventually, when I have enough games, enough interaction, enough activities, I could make like a stream dedicated just to just that, like just a game show kind of thing with chat. But that's long way. Like need a lot more games, a lot more activities, a lot more people in chat to have that viable for a full stream, right? It could be like just a part of a stream, right? Maybe end of the stream, like the last 20 minutes, last 15 minutes, do some games with chat. Something like that. That's the way I imagine it. But it's a long way to go. The prize is pizza time! That would be pretty funny. Okay, so now I'm feeling that speech bubble and first bubble are very similar to each other. Actually, first bubble is going to be extremely similar to MVP bubble. Now we play the waiting game. Yeah, I need to build all of those stuff and grow as a streamer. Well, maybe if I don't grow enough, I'll just if I'm done building all those stuff, I'll just give it to someone. Maybe Kyo can host the games. Different reference? I didn't catch a reference, sorry. I'm not really good at catching references. So I feel like a lot of this will be repeating. The only difference is what happens on a channel redeem. So I'm thinking that maybe I should create like a generalized class, generalized code, where I only specify this part and I don't have to copy paste all of this code. I think that makes sense to do. So maybe I can call this event bubble. Or I'll create a new script called event bubble. Script, speech bubble, or bubble base, event bubble base. And this one I'll also copy most of it. And then I'll write some code to make it reusable. Because that's the smarter thing to do. Okay, so there are some issues. Oops. So this one, fix it quickly, and at the top, this one. Okay. And then this will be renamed to bubble text. And this one will be renamed also bubble text container. Get bubble position. Bubble, rename hide bubble, scale, toggle, save, reset. I can remove position because it's all not just position now, it's also scale. And get bubble Transform, I guess. Show me those reverse card. I didn't do the other cards yet. That's something I have to do. I haven't done it yet. Then for the name, I'll do something like this. As key. Name of this. This does not have a name. Really? Type of this. No. Make slime Uno card and we can play unending Uno in chat. Just reverse, 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 reverse. Never ends. That's the only card you get. How do I get the class name? I guess. Do I want to make this virtual? Abstract? And then if this is abstract, then I can make a private virtual string name even name. Virtual is not okay, just save a name. You're breathtaking. Where did that come from? Where did that come from? Why are you shouting that? Oh, I forgot. How do I make this? Virtual. Can you re-sing? Yeah, I got that, but that came out from nowhere. Like, what prompted some Keanu quotes? Also cutie. Eye confusion. Protected virtual void process channel redeem and text channel redeem. And then here I can do process channel redeem, text redeem. Was because of the universe card, like no you. When I get like you're breathtaking. Oh. Right, I forgot about that. Okay, I think one way I can do this is protected virtual or virtual abstract string event name. And then event name can be called here. Then I just need to copy this all over the place. Scale and position. Okay. I think that's all I need. With this, it should work. And now I can modify first bubble to be based on this. So I can do this. Keep this part and then delete everything else. And then here it's going to complain. And here, protected, override this, and this. Here, base dot. This is random, but you're laughing at the scene from Working Dad just now where Roger the alien gets mad at losing Ratchet Ball and yells, then break the ratchet over his knee and then takes a sharp edge, sticking his neck. Yikes, that's violent. Happily congratulating for the winning team. Monka. So this is protected. And here, show bubble. Okay. So this makes it a lot easier. Return first bubble. So I only need to write this and it creates a brand new bubble with all the functionality. I don't need to rewrite all this code, I only write it once. Now let's go back and see if that worked. Maybe it didn't work. Roger is a bit of a character. I can see that. Got lucky and the bus wasn't... Got lucky and a bus you were not expecting showed up. Should be home earlier. Nice. But no Wi-Fi. Oh no. I should have was a kidnapping bus. Oh no. Hopefully not. So text and container. Canvas. And then here. Now I can make a new one. For MVP bubble. And then MVP bubble is also based off this. Delete this. It's going to complain, so implement the abstract class and also implement the overrides. Not all of them, just one. And this one returns MVP bubble. And the channel redeem, what this one does, nothing for now, but it's there. A what bus? A kidnapping bus, because you did not expect it. Okay, let's hide this for now. And let's see if the first bubble still works in this system. Hide. Oh no. Something got disconnected. Oh, probably like the buttons are not connected anymore. Oh, functionality first toggle. Here, it's missing. First bubble toggle, and then reset. Reset bubble, and then scale. First bubble scale. Text field. Manual settings. Okay, so this should fix it. Spend 2 hours stretching break. All right, and you go 90. All right, sounds good. Thank you for the stretch. I will be 90. I'll be stretching now, and have a good night, you. Thank you for the stretch. Redeem. And Jacko is reminding you for the mebs. Thank you for the stretching redeem. Right, let's see if this works. Adjust, move, reset. And then stop and then play. Is it going to be at the same place? Yes. Let's make it bigger. And then stop and then play. And did it not save the position? Let's see. Oh, it did. That was weird, but okay. You lurk for a bit, I appreciate the lurk. And hydration break from Magic. Thank you. Let me grab the water. And got some water. Thank you, thank you. Alright. Now that the first bubble works, now I want to make same thing for the MVP bubble. For the MVP bubble, I need to create a bunch of settings for it too. So I think this setting system, I'll need to change a little bit how I organize this. Let's see. Let's add another vertical group. Empty. Bubble settings. And let's copy this over. Paste the component. And let's move all of these over. Move the separation and duplicate all of this under the separation. And then eventually I have to make a real UI with like tabs and stuff, pages. Cannot do everything in one page, it'll be overwhelming. Or maybe I need to make like a scroll view. But I like tabs more, I don't like scrolls. I'll do that another time. Okay, the toggle MVP bubble. Adjust MVP. Reset MVP bubble. Reset MVP. MVP. Scale label. MVP. And then first bubble scale is now MVP. And then MVP. Bubble field. And it should be up here. And MVP. Text label. MVP. Okay. And now I need to connect all of these. So toggle. Change it to the MVP bubble. Okay. Looking to mid-tier of your headset. Leaning towards the HTC Vive Cosmos Elite. What's my opinion on it? And the other close to that. That one is closer to high tier in terms of pricing. Like I'm guessing what you see as high tier right now is the Index, right? And the Quest 2 would be mid tier, I would say. It's the best value. If you're okay with Meta / Facebook. Yeah, so the Meta Quest is low tier in pricing, but the device itself is actually very close to high tier. You get more, like the Meta Quest is a kind of almost better headset than the Vive, really, at this point, for the value. But that's only if Meta or Facebook is not a deal breaker for you. Because I know for a lot of people it's a deal breaker and that's totally okay. So the question I have for you, Jedi, is using Meta or Facebook a deal breaker for you? That will be the first question I have for you. Because if Facebook or Meta is not a deal breaker for you, I would say go for that one. It's the better headset for the price point. The Cosmos is okay. Like the headset itself is not bad. It's not the best, and the Quest is almost better, like headset wise, and the controllers for the Vive is just bad. And that's one of the bigger issues I have with recommending the Vive. Okay, so if Facebook is annoying, but you would like full body, which would mean you need to Jimmy rig the Quest 2 forward. Yes, you are correct on that. It's doable. It's a lot of work. So if full body is important for you, then yes, Quest 2 is not a good option in this case. Vive Cosmos, how much is it? Like a kit right now? Let's see. Vive Cosmos Elite. $750 if you buy it new. Oh. What about the Vive Pro 2? Okay, between the Vive products, I would say the Vive Pro 2 is a better option. It's $800. Oh, although That's without the... No, never mind. 800 is without stations and controllers. It's a lot more. So you're thinking, yeah, the full kit is expensive. Chance for a sell? Yeah. I mean, it works. I know people using it. HeartsPP, who is a famous Beat Saber modder, uses it. Use the Cosmos Elite. It's important that you get the Elite and not just the Cosmos, because the non-Elite is not good. If you can get it on a sale, I think the Vive Elite Cosmos is okay as an option. But only if you get it on a sale, I would say. It's not worth it at the full price. At that price point, I would save up 250 and get the Index. Because of the controllers. The controllers are really bad. It's going to be a pain point using those controllers. There's no joystick. There's no like face button. Hi Kyo. No you. The Vive Cosmos Elite is like, the headset is fine, the controller is bad, and for 250 more you can get a better all-around headset, which is the Index. It's a Kyo. Indeed, it is a Kyo. So yeah, if you can get a sale on it, yeah, that is a viable option, but not at retail, like MSRP. MSRP is too expensive for the value. Throws a Pokeball? You gotta throw better. You have to throw like a Master Ball or something. Dubai has a expensive 8,000 headset. I mean, if you're looking at business class headset, price just goes up because it's meant for business, not for consumer. So price is just ridiculous. The best headset you should get, if you have, like, if money is not a question right now, the Vario Aerial is probably the best one, like for the best quality. Although you need like a better, your computer is so powerful that it's probably not worth it. Index is the best consumer one. Like in terms of quality. Best value on Pencil Ball. Nice. The best value one is the Quest 2. Unfortunately. So because you care about full body, I would save up and get the Index, or if the Vive is at a sale, you could get that. But I would not recommend the Vive. Or any Vive, really, if it's not on sale. It's too expensive for the value. That's what I think, at least. That's my opinion on it. X. Manual set text. Scale. And scale. Up here, dynamic. So this is where the Linus Media Group scores their info? I doubt. Would be so funny. But nah. Oh. Manual set text. That doesn't seem right. Oh, here. That's the one I was looking for. MVP reset. MVP reset. Toggle MVP. Toggle. Oh no. Kyo got captured by the Pencil Ball. Ah, but Magic is there saving you with the Uno reverse card. Da da da. reset, scale, some text. Let's put it here and then stop it. Let's see if it saves. Yeah, this one is still up here. The position doesn't seem to save. Did I mess up something? Let's see. Let's save it here. Let's scale to, just in case. Okay, that one worked. So maybe just moving is not actually doing anything. Maybe I'm missing something. Let's see. Save bubble. It's called at 2 place at scale and at reset. It's scale at scale and reset, but not at anywhere else. So on this try, I think I want to save. And also is there a thing for when it moves? So let's take a look. Lean drag on N, on begin on N here. Yes, on N. Is the save a public function? Yes, it is. Okay, I can do this then. Then on N, put this in save. Same thing for the speech. On N, save. Okay, now I need to make the logic. Oh no, I need to make the MVP text. So let's make a new. Yeah, let's make a new one. Sure. MVP. Select and shrink by 5 pixels. Add a layer. Fill with white. Make the background invisible and then crop it. Select image crop and export as PNG. MVP corn. And then let's head back into Unity. Now we got the texture for MVP corner, turn it into its sprite, apply. And then here, MVP corner, you put MVP in here. And let's see how it looks like. It's a bit small, so let's make it bigger. And position, probably more inward. Okay, now let's see how it looks like with text. Okay, I want to move the corner up a little bit. Yes, like this. So -10 and 33. Okay, 33 -10. Save. Now I just need to add logic. I use back to byte queue. MVP bubble. I just need to make the code here. Let's see. I think I do. This one is pretty simple. I put a dictionary of string and int. User point spent by user. Oops. Point spent by user. Tab. And then what's happening? You're home! Yay! You are home. Tractor. Celebration. Now let's see. Point spent is equal to redeem dot data dot cost. String user is redeem dot data dot use display name. Let's use display name. It's fine. If point by user contains user, thank you Visual Studio for knowing exactly what I want, and it did not know what I wanted here. If it exists, then user plus equal point spent. Else, if the dictionary doesn't contain that, dot add user point spent. And then point spent by user dot all need the new using for system dot link let's see where or max. Can I do max? Max. How does this work? Max. Where the object dot value, it would return an int. I wanted to select the max key value pair. Let's see. Order by. I guess I could order by, but I don't like that. I'm doing some coding algorithm here. Home sweet home. It was not a kidnapping bus. Maybe it was a kidnapping bus, but kidnapping L to bring them home. No matter how much you look at this brain hurty. Yeah, I'm doing some this is more some algorithm. So what I'm doing is basically every time there's a redeem, I take the name, I take how much the redeem cost. I save how much that person spent, add the value, And now I want to figure out who spent the most in total. So one way is to sort the collection of all the user by point and take the first one. But I feel like there should be a way to grab just the most, like the max. Max. Key value pair. Key value pair of string int where the object, the selector, we're selecting the value. But this gives me just about how much. It's not giving me who. Yeah, I guess I can do the slower version. Order by the value, and then get the first. And this will be a value pair. And then if the max is not null, because that's possible, or is it? Key value pair is never null. That's the default then for key value pair. It should never be null. Okay. So here I should have debug. I just want to see who, or actually I can just do apply text with max dot username, well, max dot key. I think this should work. Show bubble and then apply. So with this magic code that I just did, it should, in theory, work. If I redeem something, like hi, I am now MVP. But if someone else redeem more points, like someone redeem feeds the slime, you should become MVP. Can someone do that in chat? That for me. That did not work. Why did that not work? Oh, I know why. Okay. Thank you for the test. I sorted from smallest to biggest. So it's sorted in the wrong way. So order by descending. This is the difference. And now back to Unity. This cookie for the slime. You lucky. Okay. Connect. Now if I say hi, I am first with 1 point. Now I redeem Droska for 2000 points and IU is now the MVP. It works. Can you draw Sleepy cuddling the slime? Ooh, that's a more complex drawing. Okay. I will try. Thank you for the redeem. Let me turn on Krita. Or actually, yeah, let's do it in Krita. Sleepy DB cuddling the slime. Okay, I think I know how to do this. New file. Let's do that. Not in animation. I'm not doing an animation now. Oops. Default. Okay. Yeah, I have an idea. So, slime. Let's start with the slime. Draw the glasses. It's sleepy. And then and the way I imagine it, we do another layer just for drawing it. It's me behind with like the arms like this. This is how I imagine it. Seymour DB resting at a desk using slime as a pillow. Kinda that. So like, it would look like this, right? This is how I imagine it. So let's make this slider. Make another layer. Already cute. Thank you. Alright. I don't think I ever drew myself. So that's an interesting challenge. Something like this for the hair. And then glasses. Well, more like it's one monocle, so just one side. And then close up the face. And let's do the outfit a little bit. Short sleeves with like the band up here. Let me clean up a little bit this part. For the arm. Like this, and the sleeves. And the fingerless gloves. On both sides. Remove this layer. And then add some Z's. And there we go. Wait, some details that I'm missing here. There we go. And this is hopefully good enough scuff drawing of to be cuddling with the slime, being sleepy. Let's add my signature. Oops. That right arm's looking pretty strong. Is it? Cute, love it. It's more like chibi style. But thank you, thank you, thank you. I'll post this into the Discord. To the art stuff. And we're back to Unity. Well, I think this works. Like, this is all I wanted to do. So for next stream, you all can fight for MVP. And whoever is first can claim the first spot. Awesome. Alright, let's see. Actually, I think this is a good place to end. I'll just end on the drawing. Yep, I think I'll end here. Not much else to do. I've accomplished everything that I was set to do and more, even. So that's pretty nice. So let's look for someone to read. Won't let you redeem? Redeem what? What are you trying to redeem? Kyo, what are you trying to redeem that it's not letting you? The drawing? I think there's a cooldown on it. Yeah, it's on cooldown. What is the cooldown I set on it? I wonder. Let me check. I'm curious. View reward, channel points, drawing. It's a 10-minute cooldown. Ooh, oh, we already used it for another time, for another stream. Alrighty, I will be ending stream. So let's see who we can rate, so stay around for that. Thank you everyone for hanging out. Could absolutely touch up on this drawing and use it as an end stream emote. Perhaps. I'll think about it. It's a good idea. But yeah, thank you everyone for hanging out. Always appreciate it. And yeah, anyone lurking, if you're not already following my socials, you should follow my Twitter or join my Discord. That way you don't miss out on whatever I do. I have lots of projects and at least 2 streams a week. At least I try. Next stream will be Thursday. And Q is starting a Quantum Fisher. See, while I'm doing my ending stream speech, you can all join and try to get some DB coins. Thursday, I'll probably play some games. I've been doing projects for 3 streams in a row, so I'll probably try to play something. I'll see. Most likely Metroid, but undecided for now. But yeah, schedule is almost always Tuesday, Thursday, 7 PM Pacific time. 30 seconds until the Quantum Fisher closes. Write exclamation mark join if you don't want to miss out. When is the new Pokemon game coming out? End of this year. Tomorrow there is a Pokemon Direct to reveal more of the game. So tomorrow should watch that on YouTube. It'll be interesting. It'll reveal more information. Kyo wins. Nice. Rigged. 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 But yeah. So you said fake Pope and crazier on? Let's see. I haven't rated crazy in a long while. So let's do that. Let's go to crazy. Okay. Oh no. Oh no. You're gambling. But Jacko, you lost so much. Oh no. That is a lot of Vivi coins. It's a really big oof. Oh no. Magic also lost everything. That's also a lot of point. Oh no. Jedi also went all in and lost everything. Oh no. You must remember that it's not rigged to be easy to win. It's rigged against winning. It's not like 50-50. It's you're supposed to lose more often than you win. Kyo lost that one too. Yeah. Got a lot of coins indeed. You lost one. Indeed, Kyo. But yeah, OV rating crazy. He's playing Beat Saber right now. Started just an hour, so he should be up for a while. As we head over to crazy, make sure. Does it have TTS? He probably has TTS, so don't spam too much. Just say hi, or like say like hi from the Cutie Squad or something. A raid from the Cutie Squad. But don't spam it, just once. So many Witchers you can task to. Here's a raid message. This is a raid from Cutie Squad. Just use it once because I feel like he has TTS on, text to speech. So let's not spam. Scuff TTS, yeah. Yeah, there is TTS, I remember now. It's been a while. Or you can use the exclamation mark. This is the raid from Cutie Squad. That is true. That is a good point. Good idea, Jacko. Copy the one with exclamation mark. Thank you, Jacko. Copy this one with exclamation mark. With the exclamation point at the start. That way, it cancels the text to speech. Alrighty, see you all soon. Bye bye. Thank you again for everything.